How to change Facebook page and business page URL. So if you want to change, then first of all open up your Facebook, choose any browser that you would like. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then open up your Facebook. And from here on the upper right corner you will have your profile, and you can go to settings and privacy, and then again go to settings. And here if you have profile settings, then you can simply go to the upper right corner and click on see all profiles, and then you can choose your page, and here you will have your page. So to change Facebook page URL, on the left corner you will have a bunch of options. So if you scroll down you will find settings option, click on settings, and then you can go to page info, and from here you can change the username. So I don't have a username for now, but if you want to change it then you can simply click here. And that's it guys, that's how you change your Facebook username or URL. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.